Hello there everyone and welcome to Silver Street Railway Station, and to kick things off we see the departure of 7:10:259 and 7:10:128, working the 10:27 London Overground service from London Liverpool Street through to Cheshunt. And arriving in the opposite direction is 7:10:109 and 7:10:103, working the 10:28 London Overground service from Enfield Town through to London Liverpool Street. Passing through fast for Greater Anglia is 7:20:522 and 7:20:512, working 1 Bravo 46 from London Liverpool Street through to Stansted Airport. Next passing fast in the opposite direction for Greater Anglia is 7:20:563, working 2H19 from Cambridge North through to London Liverpool Street. Next up, passing fast for Greater Anglia is 7:20:570, working 2H20 from London Liverpool Street through to Cambridge North. Next up, passing fast for Greater Anglia is 7:45:010, working 1 Bravo 35 from Stansted Airport through to London Liverpool Street. Next up to depart from the station is 7:10:111 and 7:10:120, working the 10:41 London Overground service from London Liverpool Street through to Enfield Town. Arriving next into the station is 7:10:121 and 7:10:125, working the 10:43 London Overground service from Cheshunt through to London Liverpool Street. Passing next through the station for Greater Anglia is 745-104, working 1 Bravo 48 from London Liverpool Street through to Stansted Airport. Whilst coming in the opposite direction for Greater Anglia is 745-108, working 1 Bravo 37 from Stansted Airport through to London Liverpool Street. And to take us on to our next station, here comes 710-115 and 710-114, working the 1057 London Overground service from London Liverpool Street through to Cheshunt. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed what you saw, click on the 2 videos here at the end screen. Helps out the channel. Also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you are new and got this far. And we'll see you all in the next video, folks, wherever that may take us. We'll see you then, folks.